Today I'm going to show you how you can set this Rose robot on Telegram to give an automatic message. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I've told you, today we are going to share on how to set Rose robot. So you go to Telegram. For instance, I want to add an automatic or a welcoming message in my group Emus.Pro. So I want to show you how you can set so that it can bring by itself a name and anything that you command it to do. So I'll type in Miss Robot if you don't have it, so it will be there. So for me, I've already added it in my contact. If you have not, you add it. So I'm going to add Rose to my group. Let me show you. When you go to the group direct, you won't be able to see Rose and you cannot add her to your group. Let me call her her. Let me call this robot a her. So as you go where you add members, up there, you see here you cannot add Rose because she's not there. So let me go back and show you how you can add Rose to your group. In order for you to command Rose to give you this welcoming message, she has to be in your group. So let's go back. Even if you type, you won't see Rose. No results found. So let's go back. Rose. So you are going to tap on Rose up there. Then you tap on those dots. Then you press the add to group. So for instance, I want to add Rose to Emus.Pro group. Do you want? Yes, you press add. So I've added Rose to this. So in order to give Rose a command, I need to first make her an admin of this group. This robot, I have to make it an admin of this group. So let me go and make her an admin. You long press here on Rose. You long press. Then they will bring promote to admin. And here you can show what can she ban users, what. Okay, so let me tick. This is what I want her to do. So Rose is being promoted to an admin. So as you see here, in order for me to give Rose commands, I need to use this the slash icon there in order to communicate with Rose. So I'm going to type in set welcome, then I send. Then she will tell me you need to give the welcome message some content. So I'm going to add the content that I want her to be sending. So follow me very well. I will type in slash, then set welcome. I leave a space. Follow these and open these brackets. I'm going to open these. So before, let me type in hello, then leave a space. Then I open this curly bracket. These curly brackets are the ones that you use. Then you type in username. You are programming how to do it automatically. Then you cross again using the curly brackets. You leave a space. For instance, I want to add an emoji. Let me add an emoji of my choice. Yes, okay, this one. Okay, let me use this one. So I leave a space again. You need to follow these. Welcome to, then I open again the curly brackets. Curly brackets, known these normal brackets. Curly bracket. Then I put in chat name. I don't need to put Emus.Pro. I just program her to put chat name. She'll put it herself. Then space. Again, let me add an emoji to make it more colorful. Let me add these emojis. Then after that, so I want people to be subscribing to my YouTube channel, this Emus.Pro, because that's the reason why I opened up this chat. So please first subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I want to add, so I have to add my link. Let me go back to YouTube and show you how I can even copy my link and share it here. Emus Pro, the name. Then here I want to add my link. Let me first go back to YouTube. Let me first go back to YouTube and show you how I can copy my link and bring it here. So let me go to the channel that I want to share. This is also my channel, Emus.Farm.Project. You can subscribe to it. Then Emus Pro. Then I press here up. Press there. Then press your channel. You press your channel. Then you press those three buttons. Then share. Then copy link. Link is copied. So let me go back to Telegram and show you how I'm going to copy here and paste. So I'm going to paste it here where I want it to go. Okay, so you long press as you see, then you press where you see paste. So the link is copied. So I want to put some space between this. Let me press enter. So as you see, that is it. So the new welcome message has been saved. So let me try adding someone and show you how this message is going to be appearing. So you go and add a member and see. So for instance, let me add bestie. Let me add my bestie. Okay, no, I don't want them to see the last 100 messages. Add. So when I add, let me go back to that. When I add, as you see, she has brought hello Nicole, welcome to Emus Pro, please first subscribe. She has done it automatically. So if you have found this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the link. Thank you.